so good. Are we recording? Oh, we're recording. Hey Foodie Friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and I have another one for you guys today. I'm making pepper jack cheese. Drum roll. Vegan pepper jack cheese, and I'm excited about this one. I want to show you guys how to make it and how easy it is to make it, most importantly, and quick. So, but before we get into this cheesy business, I just want to welcome all my new viewers. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to show me some love. And the only ingredient that I had a hard time finding in the local grocery stores is this agar powder. This is what it is, and look how cute it is. So you guys could check them out on Fresh. I guess they're on Instagram as well. So see, I love the packaging. Beach. I love the beach. Anyhow, so that was the only ingredient that I had a hard time finding, but the rest was really just in my pantry. So I said, what the heck, let me make vegan cheese. And what kind of vegan cheese can I make? Let's do a pepper jack. I like the spice, so it's just gonna work. Let's hope. Anyhow, so let's get cheesy. Here we go. Okay, Foodie Friends, so you're gonna need your blender. So we're gonna just start out with, I chopped up a cup of red pepper. It really was just one small red pepper here that I diced up. I just added one whole jalapeno here, nice and diced. Half a cup of raw cashews. So another thing that you're gonna need is just a little loaf pan, or one of these guys, like the cheesecake pans. Wrap it with wax paper, just like this. So get your blender ready. So half a cup of cashews, half a cup of almond milk, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of that tahini, which I'll show you guys what it looks like here. That's the tahini. That's like the roasted sesame seeds here. It looks like peanut butter. See that? So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of that. If you guys recall my hummus from my last video, I used tahini as well. 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. That's gonna add that cheesiness, that cheesy flavor. So you have your nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. So guys, if you want this recipe, just shoot me an email, eatlaughReview@gmail.com. and I'll be gladly to send it to you guys. Okay, Foodie Friends, so now we have this all mixed up here. Let's get this blending, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, Foodie Friends, so look what it looks like. Nice and creamy there, okay? So that's the look that we're going for. We're gonna put this aside while we get our little pot going here with some water, and I'm gonna add the agar powder. So now we're gonna add a cup of water to that pot there. So now we're gonna add our agar. Kind of reminds me of cornstarch a little bit. So that's what that is. And we're just gonna add it slowly here, and we're gonna bring it to a boil, okay guys? Get all those clumps out. No clumps. No clumps allowed. Keep on keeping on mixing here. So let that come to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, we're gonna lower the heat and let it simmer for a little bit. Once it's all done simmering, we're now gonna add our agar mixture into our cheese sauce here. Okay, Foodie Friends, so slowly throw that agar mixture into the blender there, like medium high. Once you have that done, add your peppers and your jalapeno just for another like 10 seconds. So it could look like this. So you have like little specks of peppers and of the jalapeno. little reminder, when you throw in the peppers and the jalapeno in there, make sure you only blend it for a little bit because we don't want any puree in there, okay? So there you have it. And now, easy peasy, we throw it in the fridge for about 30 to 60 minutes and you're good to go. Okay, foodie friends, so there's our pepper jack cheese spread. Look how cute it looks. It has a little crack there, but it's okay. No big whoop. And you can see the little peppers there and the jalapenos. See that all in there? And now we eat. I just cut a little sliver there and I just put it on just like a little creamy, like a spread. So guys, I was thinking if I would have left this on just a little bit longer, it probably would have set a little better, but you know what? I love cheese spreads, so I'm okay with it. So let's take a bite. Ooh, the jalapeno is in there. The heat hits you like after. It's a good heat though. I'm glad I went with the one jalapeno. It's refreshing. And I'm just like weirded out because it tastes like cheese. It tastes like a good cheese spread. And I'm gonna add this. I have so many light bulbs going on in my head right now. I can add this cheese spread on a nice sandwich, vegan turkey sandwich, the jalapeno and the cheese. Then you can add a little sweet in there with a little avocado on the top. Because you know I always incorporate avocado. But this was delicious. Easy, simple, but also if you check out my live, I made a second batch of smoked cashew vegan cheese, but I didn't want to drag the video on forever. So if you didn't catch my live this past Saturday, go ahead and check out the replay, the smoked cashew vegan cheese. You'll see that on my live. So if you guys want to see that recipe or you want that recipe of the smoked cashew vegan cheese, email me at EatLaughReview@gmail.com and I'll send you the recipe. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share. Because sharing is caring. So anyhow, and if you make the cheese, guys, take a picture, tag me on Instagram, EatLaughReview, and I would love to see it because I love this stuff, you know? Okay, so thank you for watching and don't forget to live life on the veg and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!